Ideas of successful projects in America are what cause the owner to get rich and differ in his circumstances. Due to the economic conditions that the country is going through, a large number of people think about traveling abroad to work and get a large amount of money, while others are seriously considering immigrating to a European country, including America, which is considered the most countries to which many people go to study and work. Most of them are also looking for ideas for successful projects in America. That is, instead of working in one-off the stores located there, or working in other places where there are many successful project ideas in America, and most of them are not expensive at all. But it is an occasion in which anyone can start the journey of the struggle to achieve good profits as the person desires. We will explain these ideas through the next day's video, so watch the video to the next to learn about ideas for successful projects in America. 1. Animal Education Project. The American people are among the peoples who have a culture of animal husbandry, where the American citizen searches for the best types of animals and buys them immediately, even if this is for a large amount. So, if you are looking for successful project ideas in America, you should think seriously and start an animal husbandry project, where you can choose good types of animals and know how to take good care of them and raise them. By browsing websites and reading about animal husbandry, these animals, after a while you will give birth and have many animals after you only have 1 or 2 animals. This project is inexpensive and very profitable, as you can advertise the animal you want to sell on social networks or go to stores that sell these animals and show them the matter. You can also initially sell the animals at an appropriate price so that the demand for them increases, and then the profit increases because you will need to sell more animals. Sell antiques. Also, one of the ideas of successful projects in America is the idea of selling antiques, as many are looking for these antiques to acquire and buy them in any amount. Buy and collect rare antiques and start selling them immediately in exchange for a suitable financial profit on each piece. You can also advertise your products through various internet sites with the shop address and phone number to contact you. Perhaps one of the surfers of these programs wants to buy one of your products, or buy a group of products, but in this case you will have to make a suitable discount for him. The manufacture of accessories. The American people are looking for the best types of accessories to wear. Here not only women, but also most men wear different and varied earrings. So you can start your project from this point, as this idea is one of the ideas of successful small projects in America, where you can search for different forms of foreign accessories to manufacture, you and sell them. You can also, by browsing through some sites, to know how to manufacture those accessories, in order to be professional in their manufacture and sale and make a lot of profits from this project. Nursery project. The project of opening a nursery for children in America is a very profitable project. There is no doubt that it will need a large capital, especially if the place has a large area, but you will certainly earn a lot of money from this project. But you should know very well that the American child has special treatment, as no one can neglect him, otherwise the result will be negative. You can buy some of the things needed to start this project, which are represented in the following. Colorful chairs that attract children's eyes, as well as colorful tables with different shapes and drawings, in addition to choosing suitable mattresses for the nursery with childish drawings. In conclusion, if you are looking for successful project ideas in America, you should choose the right project for you, in order to be a small continuity in America until the project succeeds and you become one of the largest investors at all. If you do not like any of these ideas, write a comment in order to make a second part, and subscribe to the channel because I will do a video on how to start a project without any $1. I promise you, I know that it is an impossible idea, but nothing is impossible with its VD.